Mediterranean voyage, this Thursday, week 20, we will be traveling to Italy. What we have is a version of stuffed sardines. You can find sardines or fresh sardines, so we're going to use trout. What I asked the fishmonger to do is butterfly them. So you can see they remove the bones from the inside, but both the flaps are intact. And we're going to stuff this with a little bit of breadcrumbs, anchovies, some currants or raisins, scallions, parsley, and a little bit of pine nuts. You must have seen that, in our Mediterranean journey we have been using pine nuts a lot, and that's part of the dishes that they have. And then to serve with that, we have a little bit of arugula salad. Very simple arugula and a lemon dressing. That's it. So for the stuffing, what we want to do is I have about half a cup or a cup of breadcrumbs. So I'm going to use half of that, and half we're going to keep for the top. We'll put the anchovies here. So this is 1 tin or 1 can of anchovies in oil. Raisins, pine nuts, parsley, green onions. And then we'll just mix this together. And let's taste it. I think we need a little bit of seasoning, so a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, and then we'll taste it. Use a little bit of salt. And a tad bit pepper. And then for the fish, what we are going to do is we are going to rub the top with some olive oil. We'll season it. Some salt and pepper. And then we're going to transfer this in this tray, and we're going to season the inside. A little bit of pepper, and then we're going to stuff it. Add a tad bit of olive oil inside. Too much, just a little bit. And then we'll fold this over. And then we're going to brush the top with oil. And then salt and pepper. And what I want to do is just pour the breadcrumbs on the top. We can use the rest in the salad. And then just a little bit of olive oil on the top. That's it. We'll put this in the oven for about 15-20 minutes till the fish is done. To serve the stuffed trout, what we have is we have the salad. So we're going to put the salad at on the bottom of this plate. And then I'm going to place the fish on top of the salad. Stuffed trout is ready. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Short and beautiful. It tastes lovely with the salad. The salad has a little bit of lemony flavor to it, so it should go really well with the fish. Have a nice day, bon appetit, and see you tomorrow.